Hi everyone, Joe from Queens. Time for another shave video. And as you can see, it's curtains down. That's the name of today's shave. The curtains came down. I guess sooner or later the curtains come down on everyone, but I'm gonna miss those curtains. So we have the sliding glass doors here, as you can see. Dom was over and we took down my favorite curtains. Some of your favorite curtains. I've gotten a lot of comments over the shaves about those curtains, but the shower curtains came down, so we're modernized. We have the sliding shower door. So trip to Home Depot, and there we are. So that's about it. So it's Friday, June 7th, and hope everyone's doing well. And we're going to do another shave today. Today's shave is going to feature, this is one of Douglas Smythe's shave soaps. It's the Sundown. Sundown. He did it upside down and right side up. Sundown. This is a copy. We even have a matching aftershave splash that Douglas made. This is a sort of a tribute to an old 1960s era shaving aftershave, really. Sun Up. Gillette made a Sun Up. And I compared the two and they smell very similar. I think Doug was very successful in matching the scent from the 60s. I love the old 60s kind of things. And as you can see, I have about 6 days of growth, so I'm really in need of a shave. So when we go 6 days, 5 days, we need a powerhouse. We need a heavy-duty razor. So today's razor of choice is the R41, the Mule R41, one of my favorite razors, but one of the most aggressive razors there are. It doesn't look it. It's very deceiving, but that's a powerful, aggressive razor. So we're going to use that. I have it loaded with a brand new chroma blade. This is a very sharp blade. I think it's just underneath the feather. Very, very sharp. It's probably my second most sharpest blade compared to the feather, which can't be beat. This is another one of Douglas's Phoenix shaving brushes. A synthetic brush. This is what does he call this? The rocket? The atomic rocket, he calls this. Got quite a loft to it, so we're going to wet it down. And a synthetic blade doesn't need to be soaked, as long as you would soak a boar or a badger. It just needs to be wetted down and it's good to go. So we're going to wet down our matching soap. That matches the aftershave, gives you that nice 60s kind of scent to it. He's got a little menthol in here too, so it should give me a nice cooling shave today. So we're gonna mix that in a little bit, get the tips ready to go, and we're gonna face lather. And we'll see how we do. This is a good soap. This soap lathers right up. It's a good soap. And I'm making a mess again. As we lather up, ready for our shave with our no shower curtains. All right, let's give it a good lather because got a lot of growth. And there we are. A lot of soap. Lots and lots of soap. I showered a little bit earlier this morning, so I didn't bother with the pre-shave. We'll see how that works out. Probably not too well. Okay, let's wet our blade down. This is the Beast, the R41. So I can feel it. No pressure whatsoever. That is sharp. So we go with the grain. and it knocked it right out. 6 days of growth. Stretch a little skin. 6 days of growth, just gone. And I can feel that blade. Probably the second or third shave with this blade, it won't be as sharp. But we're not in the little leagues. We're playing in the major leagues. We're in the major leagues today. You can probably hear the audio feedback. And there's our first pass. Gotta be very careful around the mustache. That's where I get into the most trouble. Gotta be very careful. There we are. All right, let's do a little rinse. I'll do shave number, pass number 2, which is the across the growth. All right, let's add a little water to the brush. See if we need any more soap for pass number 2. I'll tell you, after like the 3rd or 4th day, I don't know how people grow beards, I just can't do it. It's just so uncomfortable. Okay, still plenty of soap. And here we go. All right, there's not as much growth to take off, so it's not as aggressive. It really went after it on that first pass. And no pressure. No pressure whatsoever. I think I got myself here. So, a little tiny weeper. We'll take care of that later. That's pass 2. Good to get that growth off. It's good. I feel better already. All right. I think I got a little weeper there. Let's put a little more soap on this baby for pass 3. And we'll be very careful as we, excellent brush. As he put it, I think it's a 26 or a 28 millimeter. Looks like 26 millimeter, might be 28. I can't seem to put things a little small. Nice big brush. There we are. Made in Phoenix. By the time I get to Phoenix, she'll be rising. All right. Oh, Glenn Campbell. All right. South to north, against the grain, our last pass. We'll see if we need any touch-ups or pickups, as we say. We probably won't need too many using this baby. This baby, powerful. That's a powerful razor with a sharp blade. I'll be very careful. We have the styptic ready, just in case. You know, when Dom was over, we were putting the finishing touches on there. We still have to put up a cabinet over here. That's next. And I got to store some of my shaving, stuff there. I asked him, I went to the doctor last week. He says it would be a good idea, I'm not getting any younger, to put a bar up in the shower, safety reasons. So, here's Don. Don's responsible for this beautiful little shave den here.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And we just took down the curtains. It's curtains for you. And we're going to put up the shower doors. So we're going to have to say goodbye to the... But you know what? I was at the doctor the other day.
Yeah, what happened now?
And he says it would be a good idea for me to put a bar up. I'm getting older,
Yeah.
To put a bar up over here. What do you think? You think we could do something like that?
No problem, man. Whatever you want.
I already have one in mind. And we're going to maybe we'll put a bar over here. But anyway, that's Tom. He's responsible for this fantastic shave den here.
Thank you.
That's Tom.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah. We're going to be careful here. Very careful. That's smooth. Here we need a little touch up on this side. Still very slick. So we conclude with pass number 3. And there we are. Perfect. Perfect shave. If there is such a thing. All right, let's rinse off. Nice shave. I feel so much better now. There we are. There we are. All right. Time for post-shave time. Post-shave. Post time. All righty. Here's what I need. Alum. Time for some alum. There we are. Get a little feedback. Because that was a close shave. The same, right? It was a close shave with some things close. All right. There we go. Let that sit for a minute. And then we'll rinse that off. I was going to do a pre-shave, but I think we did okay without it. This is just some vitamin E from a Family Dollar store. Cheap and good. All right, let's rinse off the alum. If you can hear how smooth that is. That's smooth. That's smooth. All right, a little astringent. A little of my favorite, Superior 70. I love this. It has the menthol in it. The Shave Soap had a little menthol, and this has a little menthol. This has a lot of menthol, really. That's good. Almost there. Almost there. Let's see, what do we need next? All right, next, just like the Sun Up, but this is sundown. It has that nice 60s smell. I use a lot of it, I like it.
Shave clean, shave easy. Shave Gillette for the finest shaves a man can get.
Extra rich Gillette Foamy Shaving Cream. Regular or menthol, super saturates your beard. Actually cleanses your skin while you shave with K34 hexachlorophene antiseptic.
To look and feel sharp, use the stainless blade that outshaves all the others made.
The Gillette stainless steel blade has the world's sharpest, easiest shaving, long-lasting edges. You're guaranteed more superb shaves than with any other blade, or your money back from Gillette.
Shave clean, shave easy. Shave Gillette for the finest shaves a man can get.
Oh, that's good. refreshing. I like the old-fashioned stuff the best. Speaking of old-fashioned, here's some Rise aftershave from the dollar store. I think he makes a matching sundown balm, but we didn't have any. That concludes our shave of the day on June 7th. Here from Long Island. Joe from Queens and Long Island. That's our shave. Nice job. Thank you, Dom. Perfect. Nice job. I missed the curtains, but what the hell. And we did start on the bar. We did start on it. Doctor's orders. We put a bar in the shower. A little, what do we got here? Where's this from? Scotland. A little Scottish, what time is it? Oh, it's afternoon already. We can have a little taste. There we are. Just a little taste after the shave. So all the best to everybody, and see you soon with another shave, and be well. Skull. I still miss the curtain. All right, Joe from Queens, all the best. We'll see you soon.